Wow. We're at the elephant park north of Chiang Mai, Shangdao area. And these are all rescued elephants from Bangkok, Surin, Buriram. And many of the elephants have physical disabilities from abuse, too much abuse, all their life on the streets of Bangkok. And from tour companies that use elephants, they abuse too. Hey, Jano.
Hey, hello. I'm so glad you could come.
Me too. It's an amazing sight. Amazing sight. And elephants just love it now. They're free from all the abuse of their younger days. Look at that.